Assalamualaikum students, I'm here with another question for this question is coming from W08 question paper 4 mechanics sim 1 AL. Now the question is question number 6 from this paper. A train travels from A to B a distance of 20,000 meters taking 1,000 seconds. The journey has 3 stages. In the first stage, the train starts from rest at A and accelerates uniformly until its speed is v meter per second. Okay, this we can do easily. In the second stage, the train travels at constant speed v meter per second. Okay, this again line parallel to the x-axis. This is for 600 seconds. During the third stage, of the journey, the train decelerates uniformly, coming to rest. Okay, it's coming back now to the x-axis. Now sketch the velocity time graph for the train's journey. Very simple thing, you know, we have the speed time graph here, and I'm getting the sketch of this question. See, very simple thing. This is your starting point. Let's say 0. Now point A here. This is origin. I'm representing it with A. Now this total distance is basically 20,000 meters, and the journey has 3 stages. In the first stage, the train starts from rest at A and accelerates uniformly. Okay, accelerates uniformly. You can do this thing. This is acceleration uniformly. Now it's a constant acceleration, uniform acceleration, you can say, and until its speed is v meter per second. In the second stage, the train travels at constant speed. Yes, with same speed it travels now for how many seconds? You will see it for 600 seconds. So from here till here, this movement is for 600 seconds. Now during the third stage, the train decelerates uniformly, coming to the, now this is deceleration, and this is coming to rest to the point B. Now let's denote this time with t, and also here, see, we can draw, this is 600 seconds. The total time taken is 1,000 seconds. Okay, fine. Now that is the sketch for this question. Now this is part A. Part A done. Part 1. In part 2, they say find the value of v. Very simple thing. You know the distance. If we look at this diagram, this is basically total distance traveled. This is given by the area under this graph. Now how to find the area under this graph? Very simple thing. We know that we can use trapezium rule here. So I'm using trapezium rule here. Now area under graph is total distance traveled, so that is 20,000, okay, is equal to 1/2. This is 600 plus this is 1,000 now into v. If we bring it here, this is 40,000 is equal to 1600 and v. Divide by 1600 here and by 1600 here, we get, I will do with calculator, the result is 40,000, sorry, 40,000 divided by 1600, yeah, 25. So v is 25 meter per second. Now the last part says given that acceleration of the train during the first stage of the journey, now it's given to us here. This is the value of acceleration in the first stage. What is that value? It's 0.15 meter per second square. Can we say that 0.15 is a rise over run? Rise is v and run is t. V is 25 and run is t. So 0.15 is 25 over t. So 0.15 into t is 25, and t is 25 over 0.15. This is giving us, I think t is second one 66.7 calculator. We got, let me check it again, 25 divided by 0.15. okay, yeah, fine, seconds. Now they say find a distance traveled by the train during the third stage. Okay, this is the first stage, stage 1, stage 2 and stage 3. So total stage 1 plus stage 2 plus stage 3, total distance traveled is how much? They say 20,000 meters. So in stage 1, what's the total distance? 1 over 2. Let me 166.7 into 25. What is stage 2? Stage 2 is rectangle, so 25 into 600. What is stage 3? Stage 3, let's say it's y, and 20,000. Now this is a 12.166.7 into 12.5 plus 25 into 600 plus, now 166.5 into 12.5 is 2081.25 plus 25 into 600 is 15,000 plus y for third stage and 20,000. yes, so y is 20,000 minus 15,000 minus 2081.25. so 20 minus 15,000 minus 2018.25, 2981.75 meter is the distance traveled in the first and the third stage. Okay, that's question number 6 for paper for winter 2008. Question paper 4, that's done. So you should do the question. Remember one thing: never solve question like after copying this thing or after looking at the working done by the teacher, your class teacher, or me, or any other teacher. First try yourself 2-3 times. Look at the theory, the teacher taught you the rules, so learn those rules, practice those rules, then come to the question, do the question, then by yourself again 2-3 times. Try yourself the question. If you are unable to do that, then come to the videos or other helping material and get the help from that material, and then try to learn other questions and do other questions as well. Thank you so much. That's done. Allah Hafiz.